Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to talk to you, and it's almost like already 3 months and I haven't did any videos, and I just wanted to talk to you. I just wanted to share with you everything about um, what I felt and what was like going on. And also I wanted to let you know a little bit more about me, because I feel like you don't know enough about me, because I'm not giving you enough personality, and I wanted to share a little bit more with you about me. And okay, first of all, I wanted to say I love you so much, and I just want to hug you guys right now, and I just want to kiss you, and I'm kissing you right now, like everyone, I'm kissing you. Like I'm really, really loving everyone. I love you. Okay guys, let's start with why I wasn't making new videos and I wasn't posting new videos. I just wanted to let you know that I really needed a break. Like I was feeling like I'm forcing myself to do these videos for you guys, and I know so many of you want to see my videos often, and I want to make them. I enjoy making videos, and I was feeling like I was forcing a little bit myself, and it is because of the stress, because of the anxiety. So many of you have anxiety, but my anxiety, I think it's a little bit different. I'm not saying you don't have issues, or you don't have, everyone has different like issues, but my anxiety are like a little bit harsh, and let me explain why. Let me give you like few examples what I am saying my anxiety is a little bit harsh. I can literally like make a video, and the process of making video takes 8 hours, including like washing my face, shaving, doing my hair, um, like uh, like um, all the setup, like the lighting, the camera, the tripod, the like everything, the makeup, making the video in general takes like 8 hours, sometimes even a little bit more. And after making the video, to edit the video, it takes like 3 days for me. Sometimes for some people it takes hours. For me it takes days, or even like weeks, let's say. It depends how long is the video. It's because when I'm making the video, and then I can edit the video for one, like I can like edit the video for like one day, and after editing the video for like the entire day, I can decide to delete the video, because something is telling me like there is something wrong, and if I don't delete the video, and something is going to happen, and I'm so scared, and the feeling is so like disturbing and powerful, let's say. And I just want to delete the video because I think I did something wrong while I was editing the video, and if I don't delete it, something is going to happen. Maybe you're going to laugh right now and make fun, or you think it's funny, and I think this is like anxiety, or a little bit like mental issues, or anyways, you know. But I think this is harsh like anxiety, but I think these are just like harsh anxieties. I'm making the video, then I'm deleting the video, then I feel like so like happy that I deleted, but in the same time after that I feel like I was editing the video one entire day or even 2 days, and I should do everything from the beginning, and it's so difficult, and it's so like it's not easy, you know what I mean? Editing the video, it's not easy. And And when you are uh, and after that you feel like you shouldn't delete the video, because why you're allowing to like some types of anxieties to tell you what you should do or not, why you are allowing things like that to like tell you what you should do or what you should not. It's kind of very difficult to explain how I feel and what I feel when I'm doing that, but anyways, I can just delete the video and edit it again, and it takes like days and hours and weeks, and yes, it takes me a lot of time to make this video for you, but I enjoy it. I enjoy making videos. This is what I love. I love makeup. I love making like makeup videos. Also, I feel like there is so many products are launching currently, and I'm getting so much PR products, and I'm so happy. But in the same time, it's very difficult to keep up with all these launches, and sometimes I can't. Like, there is so much product, and I should do like full face of first impressions, and then I just want to do another video, and there are so many new products, and I feel like I should do like again full face of first impressions, and there is so much new makeup, and with everything which right now is happening in the beauty community, and all the trends are changing a little bit, and everyone is doing like different types of videos. But I kind of like these OG types of videos, makeup tutorials, hauls, and like full face of first impressions, favorite products. This is what I like, and I know there is so many new trends, so many new challenges, but in the same time, I just want to do what I enjoy. But in the same time, but also I want to do what is trending right now, because I know it's going to help me to grow up my channel, and I know so many people are getting like bored very like quickly from these types of videos, but this is what I love making. I'm not sure, maybe I'll do a few new types of videos, but I want to make sure I really like what I do, because if I'm going to do something which I don't like just because everyone is doing these videos like currently, and I don't think it's going to work, because people can feel everything. If you're fake, they can feel it. If you're faking yourself, they can feel it. And yes, but for the last 1 year I grow up as a person a lot, and I feel like the way I was thinking 1 year ago is not the same just like now, because I mean, when I started my channel, I started everything because I love makeup, and this is my like this is what I love, this is what I enjoy, and I started making videos because I love it, not because for the free products, not because for the money, not because for the like subscribers and views and for the fame. I started doing this because I love it, and this is what matters, because I just want to do what I love and what I like, and I'm going to make videos even if there is like only 5 people watching me, and because this is what I like, sharing with people what I like, and the conversation between us, between me and you guys, is very important for me. There was days like I was editing the video and I was so tired at the end of the day, and I was like, okay, I'll be continue tomorrow, or I'll be do it another day. But I was saying like, no, you should keep doing, you should finish the video today, and you should upload the video today. You should upload the video today because people are waiting to see this video. And I was so excited, and I was like, wow, I have like 200 subscribers, and it was a very like big and emotional moment for me, because I had 200 subscribers, and right now I have 1,400 subscribers. And if I be honest, right now I care more about the quality of my videos, it's not about the number of the subscribers. It's not about the views. Right now I'm just enjoying making these videos. And 1 year ago I was a little bit like I was thinking a little bit different. I was like, why these people have like 1 million subscribers and I have like only few subscribers when I can make my makeup better than they can do it. But I think it's like it depends on so many things, and one of the reason was because I wasn't being myself. I was talking the other day to one of my friends, and she's like telling me, you know, you're funny, you're making jokes, you're very interesting, but in your videos, like people can't see that because you're not giving enough personality, you're not being yourself, and I'm agree. I wasn't myself, and this is why I wasn't making videos for the current few months, because I just wanted to like take a break and realize what is happening, what I should do, and it's very important to be yourself, and I wasn't being myself in the videos. You know, these days people are watching you not because you can do like your makeup better, they're watching you just because if they like your personality. I was myself actually, but I wasn't 100% myself. You know what I mean? This is why I was scared to make jokes. I was scared to say something which probably I was thinking you will not going to like, and this was like a little bit confusing, and this is why I think some of the videos were probably boring. But not anymore, because I'm going to be myself. I'm going to say what I want to say. And I was a little bit scared people are going to unfollow me, people are not going to subscribe me if I'm going to be myself, or if I'm going to make jokes, especially like sexual jokes, or like being a little bit sassy but not rude, but a little bit rude, but and a little bit sassy, you know what I mean? Anyways, but I really don't care anymore how many people are going to subscribe to me. If there is only 5 people, I'll be make this I'll be make the videos which I want to make, and if you enjoy it, that's important. And I want to be like 100% myself with my subscribers, and if they're accepting me for who I am, that's what matters. And I really don't care how many of the fake supporters and subscribers are going to unfollow me, because even if there is like only few subscribers, I want them to be loyal subscribers and accepting me like 100%, you know what I mean? Also, I was dealing with so much homophobia, you know, everywhere. It's everywhere, everyone, and every day. Anyways, it's very, very hard to stay mentally and emotionally stable when you're dealing with so much homophobia and hate. But you know, I'm trying to stay positive and rid of all the negativity. Also, currently, I was trying to rid of from all the toxic people in my life, because I think it's very, very important to rid of them, even if you love them, even if they're if they're your like just friend, or just even if they're your family member, if they're your friends for a year or someone else, it doesn't matter who. If they are toxic, you need to rid of them. And at first it seems very difficult, but trust me, it feels amazing, because sometimes you don't feel how people can like play with your feelings. You know, there is type of people when they are with you, when you are already successful, on when you are successful. But when you are starting, not everyone is like with you, you know what I mean? It's very important to be a very like loyal to everyone who is with you from the beginning, because when you're successful you never know like who is actually with you, who is actually like being like nice to you because you're successful, or they really want to be your friend. This is why you should be very loyal to the people being with you from the beginning. It doesn't matter what you're starting, like if they're there to support you when you need them, it's very important to keep these people as your friends. And if someone is toxic, if someone is always trying to find like, you know, reasons, like I don't know how to explain, but there is toxic type of people when they are like acting all the time, like they are acting all the time. And when you're successful and already successful, they're changing and they're being always very supportive and they're always very nice to you. But when you need them, when you're just starting, just as a friend, just to talk to them, just to be like, you know, to have relationship, friendship, or just if even they're your family members, people these days are mostly with you when you're already successful. And I was reading off from all the toxic people in my life. And don't say anything, don't be rude, don't fight with them, don't argue with them, just rid of them. Actually, it seems very difficult, but it's easy. Also, I wanted to say thank you to everyone who is supporting me from the beginning. And if you're still here and you're watching me, if you're supporting me, thank you so much. I love you and thank you. Also guys, I wanted to do like a few makeup tutorials, also PR unboxing and full face of first impressions. Please let me know in the comments which types of videos you enjoy more, so I can do that one. Also, I'm going to be myself in the new video. I'm going to be very open about everything, and yeah, I'm going to be myself and I'm going to do what I want to do without caring who is going to subscribe to me or who is going to unfollow me. Or okay guys, this is everything for today's video. Okay guys, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I'll be try to answer to all of them. And yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you are not already. And okay, and I see you in my next video. Love you, see you next time. Bye.